Banky special.
Yeah.
Pure deliciousness.
Pure deliciousness, man. My name is Banky, man. Everybody calls me Banky. That's the name that I got from my grandmother when I was young. I'm coming out here after 30 years. Yeah, I ain't got nothing, but I'm gonna have something because I'm rich in personality, you know, and I'm rich in love. My family love me, and that's really all that counts.
Shout out to everybody out there on Team Banky Pound, man. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. Everybody who's been watching my channel, everybody who's been subscribed, following my journey, man, since I've been out, everybody who leave a comment, everybody who leave a like, much love, big love. I definitely appreciate you. Today, man, I just want to do this short video to show some respect and support for my man Bo Billy. I've told y'all plenty stories of boy Bo Billy name up many times in Banky Pound 33 years of prison stories, man. But right now Bo Billy is fighting for his freedom. He's still trying to get out after 48 long years of incarceration. You know, we trying to get him his liberation. So I'm asking y'all to help support Bo Billy in his fight for freedom. See what that says right there? This is a t-shirt that he's selling to try to build up some money for his legal defense. He has a lawyer that says he can help facilitate his freedom. And we trying to sell these shirts, man. I'm getting ready to read a letter from y'all straight from Bo Billy himself that he wanted to tell my viewers because I stay in contact with him. So I'm gonna read this letter before I say any more. This is a letter straight from Bo himself. Boom. So it says, to all Team Banky Pound supporters and viewers, this is Bo Billy from P-Town coming at you, seeking, request, and still pleading for all of Team Banky Pound viewers and supporters to give me strong support in my legal defense to break the chains and the shackles off my body after spending 48 years of my life in a hate factory, mostly based on lies and racism, which are the price some pay to be a man or a human being in this system. As I stated in the beginning, I am not and never have said I wasn't guilty of my crimes. I paid society for my crimes, wrongdoings, but now I am doing sentence and time for crimes that are not mine, which I have pre-sentence evidence to prove such. I, as many others, are being used and judged by a biased parole board that constantly uses the nature of the crime as an excuse to deny parole for 35 years straight. You or no one can change the nature of the crime, which is only an excuse to keep their prisons filled with bodies. To help in my defense, please order the free Bo Billy t-shirts in black or orange, designed by a Jamaican queen, which Banky is now wearing or showing y'all. Order address, Constance Nugent, C-O-N-S-T-A-N-C-E, Nugent, N-U-G-E-N-T, Miller, M-I-L-L-E-R, 628 St. John's Place, 628 St. John's Place, 2L/Brooklyn, New York, 2L/Brooklyn, New York, 11216, 11216, 628 No, 1121.6. $30. The price of the t-shirt is $30, including paid postage. Give your size and please order. I salute the nation of human beings and all of the Banky Pound supporters. TBP salute. Man, I hope y'all can help in any way you can in trying to get Bo some assistance. I know the struggle. I've been through the struggle. I'm blessed to be out here today. I did 33 years of incarceration. I can't imagine doing one day more, you know, and Bo doing 48, going on 49 years now. Man, the strength, the will to live that it takes to do that type of time and go through the things you're gonna have to go through. I clearly understand. I clearly feel his pain, man, and I hope y'all do too. Everybody in life, man, end up doing some things that they regret in life. Everybody in life makes mistakes. Everybody in life fall down, but you know, we always get a chance to stand back up. Bo has not been given that opportunity to stand back up. You know, the system is still holding him down for, you know, more or less the way he carried it while he was locked up, by being a man, standing up for what he felt was right, doing what he felt he had to do at the time. The system does not respect that. You know, they want to dominate, they want to control, they want to dictate your actions and everything that you do, the way you think, the way you feel, the way you move. They want to control everything. And when you have someone who has his own will, his own mindset, and takes control of his own life, even though his physical being is incarcerated, he takes control of his own mindset. He thinks for himself. He does what he feels is best for himself. Then they're not gonna look kindly on that. So Bo has been one who has lived his life in incarceration like that. He did what he wanted to do. He did what he felt like he had to do at the times that it called for. So the system has always looked down upon that type of thing, man. So Bo deserves a chance at freedom. I feel anybody deserves a second chance at freedom. You know, anybody. You never know what somebody could have did 20, 30, 40 years ago. You cannot take that and say that that's who they are, that's who they will be later on. Everything in life evolves. Everybody evolves. Everything changes. You know, we got things that's going on now that wasn't even humanly possible or even thought of 48 years ago, 50 years ago. So if the world can change, why can't he change? You know, they didn't want to let me out. You know what I'm saying? After 33 years, they felt like, you know, every turn down that I ever got, they said that, you know, I wasn't fit for society. I wasn't ready to come out here. I wasn't prepared, you know, that I was a menace to society. So, you know, I've been out here now, you know, God bless, for 2 years and 4 months. And I don't feel like I'm a threat to anybody, you know, and I feel like I'm trying to be an asset to anybody who would listen. I'm trying to spread knowledge. I'm trying to spread positive energy. I'm trying to spread positivity all the way around the board. So you never know what one will do until they're given the opportunity. Bo hasn't been given that opportunity, man. So I'm doing all I can to try to help him and every one of my other comrades that's still locked up, everybody who still fighting for their liberation and their freedom. And I'm asking y'all to help as well if you can. You know, give what you can, do what you can. If you can order a t-shirt, order a t-shirt. If you can, write the parole board on his behalf. If you know, anything that will help, you know, to show some type of support for these people, man, that's going through this struggle. Because like I said, I know the struggle. I understand the struggle. I've been through the struggle. It's a hard one, man. And 48 years is a long time. Bo is, I think, 66 or 67 years old. What do they expect him to do? You know, what do they expect him to do? You know, so I hope y'all got this information. I'm going to try to ask Trail to try to post the information. If not, I know that the Queen Francine Smith will post this information, man, where y'all can reach Miss Constance and order these t-shirts, man, and support a Bo. I think he has to have a certain amount of money by the beginning of next month. So we on the timeline here to try to, you know, get him some type of legal assistance to try to get him from behind them walls, man, and break the shackles. 48 years, man, that's long enough. A lot of people who watching me ain't even 48 years old. A lot of people who's subscribed to this channel ain't even 48 years old. So you're talking about all of your life and then some, all of your life and then some. So we got to try to free Bo Billy and a whole lot of other incarcerated souls, man, that have more than paid their debt to society for, crimes committed and mistakes made decades and decades ago, man. So just imagine being held accountable for everything that you ever did for the rest of your life, man, and being punished for it as well. So, if that's the case, then no one will ever advance in life. No one will ever, succeed in anything if you're going to be held to those standards. Once you paid your debt to society, man, and you giving all you can give, I feel like you should be able to get another opportunity at life, man. So free Bo Billy, man. Free Bo Billy, man. Free Bo Billy. So y'all can show any type of support. I would appreciate it. TBP, salute, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Much love. Much love to everybody who support me. Much love to everybody who support Bo. And if you got somebody that's incarcerated in your family, man, show them some love. Regardless of what they did to get in there, they still human being. They still your family. They still is worthy of love. They still is worthy of caring. They worthy of your support, man. Because if not you, then who? If not you, then who? TBB, stand up, man. I love y'all out there. Y'all be safe, be smart, make good decisions, man, and duck them hooks. Boom. It looks different when I'm standing up, don't I? I know what. Boom. Duck them hooks, man. Y'all be safe, man. Free Bo Billy.
The Banky special.
Yeah.
Pure deliciousness.
Pure deliciousness, man. My name is Banky, man. Everybody calls me Banky. That's the name that I got from my grandmother when I was young. I'm coming out here after 30 years. Yeah, I ain't got nothing, but I'm gonna have something because I'm rich in personality, and I'm rich in love. My family love me, and that's really all that counts.